Hi, welcome back to the channel. Dave here. This video, part 11, is about sanding the epoxy seal coat that was applied in the last video. Actually ripping down the gunnels from the rough stock that I sourced out from a gentleman in Gray, Maine, as well as fiberglassing the interior of the canoe. So that is actually done now. Just finished up moments ago. So the sanding of the seal coat, where the seal coat was applied in the last video, allows that initial layer of epoxy so that the cedar can absorb that and seal up all the porous surfaces of that wood. So that needed to be sanded for a mechanical type of application. There's two types, so there's chemical and mechanical. Chemical is when you go back-to-back layers after certain cure times. Where sanding is not required. Well, sanding is going to be required in most cases beyond 48 hours, so that's what I had to do there. I ripped down the gunnels from that 20-inch long wood, which posed some challenges here in the workshop. I needed to utilize my basement windows as in-feed, out-feeds type thing. And I had some borrowing of that wood that required me to reach out for some help from some board members. So thanks Jim Dodd, ASLG and Cruiser, for offering the skill saw guide that really allowed me to rip those gunnels without too much effort. Appreciate that a lot. And then of course what you'll see in this video is laying down the fiberglass and laying down that initial fill coat, which is going to require two more fill coats like you've seen on the exterior of the canoe before I flipped it. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this video, and as always, please subscribe, like the video, and I'm nearing the end of this canoe. So the gunnels are now prepared to a half inch by 5/8 dimension. Typically they're supposed to be 3/4 by 3/4, trying to save some weight there, which I have done. Save about 8 pounds of weight on the total overall canoe weight. So I'm excited about that and moving forward. So thank you for watching. Like the video and please subscribe, and always I enjoy comments. So leave a comment, ask a question, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks.